Hi, my name is Peter. I work for the Guild and I'm an automotive technician. And we're working on this 1969 Camaro with 502 in it and installing a sniper system. This thing is good up to 650 horses and we're just putting it together now. We got one gas line installed already, the main line. We'll have to install a return line. Exhaust is all done, but we're gonna drop the gas tank just to put the return line into it. Removing the straps. Asking Bryden and Blair to come and help me lower the tank. It's a little tricky, but it's pretty straightforward. And it's out. Just have one cable there. Looks like they soldered it, so we will cut it and replace it with a new one. And it's down. Just checking where we'll place the O2 sensor. It has to be on an angle and it will be welded in. Just doing a mock-up for now. I'm just removing the sending unit so I can install the return line. But I will fix the sending unit because somebody soldered it not right, so we'll do it the right way on it. And the unit is out. All right, I'm fabricating a return line on the sniper system. Doing measurements, trying to figure where the angle is going to be. I'm going to make a 90-degree, fit under the pocket of the differential. More measurements, more bends. Sometimes a little tweaking and a little bending just to make it fit the right shape. And we'll have to fish it through the exhaust and behind the upper control arm just to fit. A little tight, but it's fitting. These copper nickel lines are great. You can bend them easy and they don't kink that fast. get some clamps to secure everything. I'll put the tanks back up again. And I'll need help again.
Right.
Where the coal miner is here.
Coal miners?
Coal miner, yeah. Up.
Okay.
I'm just connecting the rubber hoses from the return line to the tank. We installed the gas line return for the fuel injection system and just putting the gas tank back up with the new fittings on it. I am cutting a band to put under the gas tank straps so for insulation. For vibration, sometimes they'll cut each other and start rusting. So it's insulated basically, right? Bolting the gas tank straps back in. Line it up. And once we have it all in place, we'll put gas in it and we should be able to start this up. Another job well done. And we just finished installing the sniper system and we're gonna fire up and see how it goes. There we got it. It runs. It's alive.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. We'll just check all the pressures now. It's quiet, so we'll just top everything up and we'll go from there. So took it for a road test, ran good, responds very good, and lots of torque for a fuel injection system.